Thank you very, very much, David. Well, I'm at the complete opposite end of the show, and I'm here at the Berry stand. Now, it is absolutely massive in the world at the moment, and so it should be. Sustainability and recycling. Now, it's something that is hot off the press, and I'm with Jim here. Now, Jim from Berry. Now, you've taken me through this line, and I want you to take these guys through it because I'm absolutely astounded by what you guys are doing. And it is something that is so needed now in every industry, isn't it? A reduction of single-use plastics and to try and find other forms of processing and packaging.
That's true. Yeah, we've got 4 products we're promoting today. All of these products are fully recyclable. And BPI Group, which is part of the Berry organisation, we're also the largest recyclers in Europe, and we recycle about up to 130,000 tonnes of polythene. These are all made out of polythene. We have our Enviro Frozen, which is basically run on vertical form fill and seal, so it can be run on machines that have got constantly heated jaws. Normally you would need a laminate for that, and the laminate is not recyclable normally, because if you combine 2 products together you can't do it. Because this is fully polythene, this can be recycled, can run on the machines, can be used now, today, by customers. So they won't have to change the machinery, just use this machinery and go. We've also got the Enviro Pack. This is, again, can be run on vertical form fill, but it can also be turned into pouches and can be run on pouch lines. It's also run at much lower temperatures, so there's a saving of energy there, and this too is fully recyclable.
They seem really versatile, Jim.
Well, they are. I mean, we designed these, we've actually been into plastics and laminates for such a long time. And we know all the machinery, so these products have been designed to run on current machinery. So you don't have to go out and buy a whole new set of machinery. You could use these products and actually then get them recycled. And by being the largest recyclers in Europe, we could actually give our customers some guidance on how we could do that.
That's quite big of you as a company, really, to be able to do that, because I think that there's a lot of different companies out there that would see a gap in the market, because business is business and we're all about making money because that's what we have to do. And you see a gap in the market and you would think, well, actually, great, new machine, more money. But it's quite big of you as a company to be able to actually have that commitment to the sustainability and to be able to put that through the whole process.
Berry is fully committed to sustainability. Well, we're promoting plastic. Plastic is a fantastic product. It's lightweight, it's strong, and it can be recycled. So, you know,
it just needs to be used in the correct way.
Well, it's not been given a value. The reason why people throw it away is it's not got a value. So once you start giving it a value, once you start being able to recycle it and turn it into other products, then maybe then there's the commitment to actually use it. So we're about recyclability, we're about sustainability, and we're really about promoting these products fully. Now, not only do we recycle products, but we're trying to use that recycled product within our own products. So we have here our Enviro laminate. Now this can have up to 50% recycled content. That's not for food contact because it's got post-consumer waste in it, which means that it's already been out into the marketplace and we've recycled it. But it's perfectly okay for anything that's not food contact, like sanitary products and the like. But then we've got our Enviro Fresh, which has been developed for use on produce, salads, bakery. That has also recycled content, but that's post-industrial recycled, so we know what's in it, because it's come from our factory.
And what's fantastic about Berry, I know you've touched on it already, is the fact that people struggle, I think, with understanding how to recycle, where to send the bits and pieces to, and there's a lot of confusion with compostables and things like that, but actually you are one of the biggest takers of recycled.
Yeah, we bring it all back. I mean, not on this stand here, but we're very big in Sally stretch wrap. And we've got a program with all the farmers for collecting the stretch wrap and taking that. We've got a big washing unit in Dumfries which washes it all up and recycles it. And we turn that into things like refuse sacks. We're also producing products called plaswood, which is basically a replacement for wood. We're making benches and deckings and posts out of it. So that's when it's at the end of its life, when you can't make it into other products. So what we would like to do, first of all, is take the recycled material, take the best of it, and then use that in products that are being used like these. If it can't be used for that, we then make it into refuse sacks, and if not that, then we can put it into plaswood.
Well, Jim, I don't know why everybody in the show isn't rushing over here right now to be able to come and have a chat with you. I think you're going to be inundated. Well, congratulations and hats off to Berry.